Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're back with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. Yes! This one is going to be a, let's see, it's an alley cat, I think, but it's got a tag on it. It says, "Dare you to tease me, alley cat." It's got quite a mischievous look on his face, and I think we can do this by, looks like the compartment's already unlocked. Let's see if we can add some batteries and maybe we can get it to work. I don't know. Okay, there's the okay, there's the pouch. Let's see here. Oh, I've got some Dollar Tree batteries in there, and it is broken. That's sad. Maybe. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Doesn't seem very tough to me. Whoa! Holy smoke! I swear I did not know that it did that. I'm not making this up. I had no idea. I was just as fooled as you guys were. Let's see here. Hold on. Okay. Let's see if he does it again. It's kind of cool. And then I'm going to tear it apart and make a puppet out of it. Ready? Oh dear! No, that was on purpose. But the first time I was a little surprised. I don't know what he's doing. Is he rubbing his butt on the ground? Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's see. I think I paid $2 for it. It says it works and comes complete with batteries. If I'd have read that in the beginning, that would have been better. But I'll tell you what, let's see if I can do this. This actually might work pretty well because it's not very difficult to see where I can take the seam ripper and rip the little mechanism out. That would be quite a mechanism to have if I'm making something exciting for entertaining people. Okay, so hold on a second. Let's get in there and start popping some of those seams. It's like doubled over because this is a high stress area. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Alrighty. Okay, by the way, let's see here. There we go. By the way, I don't know what I was going to say, by the way. Let's see here. Come on. I might have to, let's just do this. I'm going to take the shortcut this time. You get it? Shortcut? We're going to cut that right up that little back area there. Not too bad. Okay, a little bit of tearing. Never hurt anybody when it comes to stuffed animals. Okay, and out come the mechanism. Okay, hold on. It's going to work. Oh yeah. This is one of the easier ones. I'm so happy. Now I just have to get the foot switch. Let's see here. As usual, it's buried way down in the toe. But I think this was a fun little gimmick, so I will try and remove the switch. That's not good. Wow. Let's try that again. Or not try that again. Okay. Hold on. Oh, come on. Ow. That wasn't very nice. Well, I don't think it punctured the skin, but somebody left a needle in my stupid bear here. That's not very good. Not very good at all. Got a good puncture there, but I don't think it... I don't see any blood, though, so it might be just a poke. Okay. So better not find any more in here. I'm going to have to check for that next time before I start digging around in something. Okay, I think we've had about enough of that. So I'm going to hopefully be able to... I hope I didn't get that. There we go. Trying to get that switch out without damaging the switch. And it's packaged in here with a little bag. That little bag, you've probably seen it if you've gone into one of these things. By the way, I need to have you guys and gals send me pictures at least, and I'll do a picture show of your accomplishments. If you guys have done one of these little animals and you want me to post a picture on this group, fun and games group that we have going here, then please send me something. I sure hope I didn't get... I guess I'm okay. Here we go. Let's see if it works. Yep. And I can turn it off too. Okay. You ready? Ah! That's cool. Okay. So let's get this back down there. Let's... Oh, are you serious? Oh, wait a second. I gotta actually put my hand through the opening. All right. Okay. And there we go. Is there another one in there? What were these people thinking? Okay, I'm not going to risk it anymore. I've already been jabbed once. There he is, the sassy cat, or the dare you to tease me alley cat, and he's got a little puppety action going there, and that's it, because I'm really kind of scared of this one. But hey, thanks for coming along. For those of you who've been with us before, for those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for updates. And thanks for coming along. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye. Here we go.